Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Emerald and thank you for stopping by. Okay, so we have a Shop Miss A haul. You guys know when I'm looking down, I'm looking at the stuff, so you already know what it is. So we have a Shop Miss A haul, you guys, and usually when I get nails, I always tell you guys, I'll show you later, I'll show you later. Today I'm going to show you the nails that I picked up in this particular haul because I haven't shown you guys any yet. Oh, by the way, look at these. These are from ShopMissA too. You guys, can you see the glitter? So cute. I am sold with the press-on movement. I'm not going back to the nail shop ever again. Let me not say ever, but I mean for pedicures, of course. But you guys, I love doing my own nails at home. It's so cathartic for me. I love sitting there and decorating them and designing them or whatever the case may be. It's just so fun. And sometimes they come already designed like this. And this was a 5 minute. Girl, press on nails are the wave. Okay, so anyway, first things first, let me show you the nails. So I tried to put them in separate piles. These are the matte nails that I picked up. They're matte and they're almond shaped. I like to decorate nails like this, or sometimes I'll just put clear on top of them and just leave them. Excuse me, and make them shiny. But I think I'm going to leave these matte. Look at these colors. Oh, sickening. Oh, so cute. They even have white. They be white matte nails. I ain't seen that. Oh, and then I picked up these. These are like some iridescent, shiny square nails. So that's one set I got. Then I got these, which are sort of like the ones I'm wearing. They're just a darker blue. Got them in pink. The glitter, so cute. Nice little nude. And a light pink. And lastly, I picked up, oh no, I got some more, I got the metallic almond shaped ones, which I thought was so cute. Look at this, super cute. Oh, and these are my favorite. Look at this, that goes crazy. Those are going to be so cute. I think I'm going to put some rhinestones or something on those just to jazz them up a little bit. And I got these cute little square smoke, like they're a smoky gray. And these are my favorite. Look at the color, y'all. Green. If you know me, you know. Emerald green at that. I cannot wait to put these on. These are going to be so bomb. Okay, so that's it for the nails. I also picked up, let's see here. ShopMissA has some really, really good nail buffers and nail files. I mean, like professional grade. These are really, really good. I always try to pick these up because I go through them, you know. And we have the round ones, the round nail files. But I love these. And these only come one in a pack because they're so sturdy. The square nail files, they're like a coarser grit. It's like the ones that they use at the nail shop. I swear it feels exactly the same. Okay. Also, too, I picked up some little cute little decorations for my nails. Those, it's like butterflies, you guys, in all these metallic colors. I cannot wait. I'm ready to change my nails already. Okay, so that's it for... Oh, no. One more set of nails. The neons. The neon mattes. So I got a neon pink and a neon orangey red. All right, that's it for the nails. Now, let me show you guys the jewelry. First, you guys, I got this really cute necklace. It reminds me of like the chakras. I don't know if you guys can see that. I probably should have opened it for you. But it has like a row of beads that's supposed to be like the chakras. And there's a Hamza hand on each side. So I thought that was really cute. And then we have, so I got these little butterflies. And I ordered 2 of them because you know how sometimes ShopMissA are like, you can't pick your color, they come random. So I ordered 2 so they can give me 2 random colors. And these are the colors that I got. A blue green, and I like this one better. The orangey green. So that's that. You guys know I'm on a butterfly kick, so it's about to be a lot of butterflies. I picked up these cute little butterfly earrings. Let me take these out because y'all can't see. I don't know why I never take them out. These super cute. I got them in gold and silver. You know me, silver too. That's the gold one stuff. What else did I get? I got these butterflies too. These are so pretty. They're like dangly earrings. I should have had this done already, but I totally forgot. Aren't these cute, y'all? So cute. In gold and in silver. These are so cute. Oh my god, those are gonna be so cute. Okay. Okay, this is the last pair of butterflies. I know y'all sick of me. That's the last pair of butterflies. I know. Oh. Wait, I lied. I got some butterfly rings too. They had some butterfly rings that were so cute, y'all. I got silver and gold. Let me just show you one. It's just a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, just a little cute little butterfly. I'm gonna put one on. Let me try one on. See how they fit. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, look at that. Take this tag off. That is cute. Oh, okay. I know y'all. Oh, I also got these cute little Mickey Mouse earrings for the kids, for the kids, for the kids. Gold and silver, of course. And Mickey Mouse earrings. I picked up these fun little earrings because they reminded me of, y'all remember them candy necklaces that we used to eat, that we used to bite on? Don't these look like one of those candy necklaces? So cute. And really, you know, that'll bring the outfit together when you wear like pink or something. And I picked up these because these were cute too. Actually, on the website, the girl had them on. That's what convinced me to get them because they look so cute on her. I was just like, oh yeah, these are dope. So it's just some bigger, colorful ones, just dots. Like, they just remind me of candy for some reason. Okay, and last but not least for the jewelry, I got these. These little, let's see. These little earrings right here. So I got them in circles, and I also got them, these are the ones I like better, in triangles. Super cute. They give me a 80s vibe, like, you know, if you know, you know. You've been around long enough, you know those 80s earrings. Okay, so that is it for the jewelry. Now let me show you really quickly the skincare I picked up. I totally forgot. I am wearing one of the things that I picked up too, you guys. I picked this up too, this cute little necklace that says Queen and these earrings that say Queen that go down. I don't know if you can tell, but like they're covered in rhinestones. And the necklace is covered in rhinestones too. I thought that was so cute. So yeah, I picked that up too. I forgot. But anyway, last but not least, so I only picked up 3 things from ShopMissA from skincare. It's their newest, what are these? Their newest little stick primers and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what each one is. So the first one is a smoothing, mattifying aloe face primer. And it's supposed to blur imperfections, fine lines, and the appearance of pores. So it comes in stick form, and it's just a face primer before you put on your makeup. And then the second one, I can't wait to use this. I'm going to use this tonight. It is the Sunflower Oil Cleanser. It's to remove your makeup and replenish your skin. Easily removes long-lasting and waterproof makeup, and it's just in a stick form. You put it on your face, rub it in a little bit, and then you rinse your face off, and then you cleanse with your second cleanser. This one is the one I'm most excited about because I use ShopMissA's skincare products sometimes, and there is this one product that I absolutely love, and now it's in stick form. And what I'm talking about is the Squalane. I use the Squalane moisturizer. They have the Squalane in a balm, and I don't know if you guys know what Squalane is, but Squalane is something that just it just gives your skin hydration. It's so amazing. Like, as soon as you put it on, your skin just feels so soft. I love this stuff. So now they have it in a stick. So it says instant hydration for your face and your body. Roll up hydration balm for instant moisture and sheen. And I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. And I am a skincare freak. Squalane is so good. Oh my God. If you have dry skin, get this. Try it. Or no, well, I don't know about this one. I'll see. But their other Squalane product that they have in their skincare collection, so good. So good. Okay, so that's it for that, you guys. But really quickly, I wanted to show you guys something else in my haul, which is something special that I got from a fellow YouTuber. And she goes by, her YouTube name, I believe, is Lucy's Unboxing Life. Lucy's Unboxing Life. Okay, and I've been watching her for a long time, since she first started her channel, and she's been watching me. We support each other. We both do hauls and, unboxings and things like that. She's a really sweet lady. I love her to death. She's very sweet. Her and her dog, Naja. And so she had a giveaway, and I don't think I even knew, but I got entered because I was one of her longest watchers. So I guess she entered everybody, and I won. Let me show y'all. I won the giveaway. I'm so excited. And so this came in the mail like probably 2 weeks ago, but I just been busy, and I didn't want to open it before. I wanted to open it with you guys because I wanted to see with y'all, but I did make sure nothing was broken, so I did open the top and everything looked good. So then I put it back. And let me see, she wrote me, and it was so sweet. Like, you guys, I did not expect this. And she was just like, you won my giveaway. And I'm like, oh. And when she told me too, I was having a really bad day, so she made my day. So thank you, Miss Lucy. So she gave me a card that says thank you. And she says, thank you for your support. Here's a token of my appreciation. Love you, Lucy. I love you too, Lucy. You guys, go watch her channel. I'm gonna put a link to her channel, and I'm probably gonna put it down here too. But yeah, go support her. She's really sweet, and she has good unboxings. I watch her all the time, and her channel is just so soothing and calming. Her voice, you know how that go. I love it. So here is the box. Wait. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's see what I got, y'all. Oh, honey. And look, I looked, and I was just like, okay. I can't wait. Okay. So the first thing that I won. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's 3 Graces Beauty Lip Savior Love Yourself Lip Balm. Okay. Thank you, Miss Lucy. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. This is Glow Skin Beauty Hydra Bright Alpha Arbutin Drops with lactic acid and alpha arbutin. It's a serum. Oh, skincare. She knows me. She knows me. Skincare. What is this? Another one. So this is from Kypris, and it is an illuminating eye serum and primer and a shimmer palette. Oh, Miss Lucy. Oh, oh my God, this lady. Okay, this one is Dr. Botanicals Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. She gave me all kinds of good skincare stuff. I love it, Miss Lucy. I love it. Oh, and this is a lot of stuff. She gave me a $1 Billion Beauty sponge. It's a vegan charcoal infused makeup sponge. Ooh. I can't wait to use all this stuff. I'm overwhelmed. Oh, and some makeup oh, these are cute. They feel heavy too. Oh, look at these makeup brushes. She gave me some blending brushes and a blush brush. Look at the handle. Miss Lucy, I love you. Oh my God. Okay, what's next? I need to calm down, but I'm super just. Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter with vitamins A and E, metal foam seed oil. Ooh. Okay, for the skin. I don't even have no place to put this stuff. It's so much stuff, Miss Lucy, my goodness. Okay, and this is from Dominic Paul, It's a contour palette. Okay. I don't want to blind you guys. I don't want to blind you guys. It's a contour palette. Cute. And we have Moods by Laura Sanchez. What is this? Okay, y'all. So as I was saying, I was saying, what is this? This is an eyeshadow and highlight palette. And I showed you guys already. Let me show you again. This is how the inside looks. So let's see what it looks like. This is pretty. Okay, it has a full mirror. I'm gonna bend it back. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay, hold on. I don't want to break it. Oh, this is nice, Miss Lucy. Let's take this off too a little bit. Okay. So it's an eyeshadow and a highlighter palette. Look at those shadows and the highlighters. Cheek in the corner. This is extra cheap when I want to be extra. This is so beautiful. Oh, Miss Lucy, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. I got to make a look with this. Oh, especially this. Oh, that. And that. Oh, and of course the green. Okay, all of them. Okay, let me calm down. Oh, it's 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. And it's got a little. Okay, we're gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna do a look with this for y'all. We're going to have fun with this. Okay, and last but not least, I got one more thing, y'all. We almost done. Miss Lucy. She got me some Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade Maple. Baby. I'm going to do, you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a video and use some of this stuff. That's what I'm going to do, Miss Lucy. We're going to make a Miss Lucy look video. That'll be fun. What y'all think? Let me see. I've never used Becca before, so I don't know. Miss Lucy now, look. If she got the right shade, that'll work. Okay, Miss Lucy. Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. Oh, she trying to have me oh, I cannot wait. This was so sweet. I really, seriously, I really, really appreciate this. I really do. This was really, really nice. And everything in here was just so nice. All this skincare. Oh my God, Miss Lucy. I appreciate you so much. I really, really, really do. So that is my giveaway prize, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to come and make a video, and I'm going to play some of this stuff on the video so we can see some of the makeup products. And I'm just going to play in the skincare on my own because Miss Lucy know I love skincare. So you guys, that is everything in my haul. I know the video was kind of long. I'm sorry. But yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. And if you have not subscribed to your girl, subscribe. Support small YouTubers. We are all we got. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of this video also. And I'll be back really, really soon. Really, really soon. Promise. All right. So anyway, have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is. And I'll see you later. Bye.